Hey guys, today I introduce a gluten-free and super healthy dish, Tofu Miso Gratin! Today's recipe is an easy and incredibly healthy gratin made with tofu and miso. Using tofu instead of the flour makes it low in calories and rich in protein. Plus, since we don't use knife, it's super easy to make. Why not try make tofu miso gratin? So let's make it together! Let's introduce ingredients: tofu, crab sticks, miso, mayonnaise, and cheese. With just these ingredients, you can make an incredibly delicious tofu miso gratin. Let's get started! First, we remove the moisture from the tofu. Tofu contains a lot of water, and if we use it as is, the gratin won't be as delicious due to the excess moisture. Wrap the tofu in kitchen paper. Tofu is delicate, so handle it carefully. However, since we will be breaking up later, it's okay if it crumbles at this stage. Once wrapped, place it on the plate and microwave for about 3 minutes. While waiting, let's make the sauce. Mix 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of miso. The amount may vary depending on the saltiness of the miso you are using, but this should be a good guideline. After microwaving the tofu, let it cool slightly and remove any excess moisture. It's okay if it's crumbled a bit. Transfer the tofu to the heat-resistant container and breaking up a bit more. There might still be some moisture coming out at this stage, so it's good to remove it. Next, chop the crab sticks by hand and add them in. You can add as much as you like. I added 3 sticks. Once all crab sticks are added, pour the miso mayonnaise sauce over the top. Spread it in evenly. Are crab sticks available in your area? I'm surprisingly enjoyed in various parts of the world. Finally, top it off with as much cheese as you like. Bake it oven until the surface is slightly brown, around 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. And there you have it, a piping hot tofu miso gratin! Finish! So let's いただきます。Today, let's enjoy it with miso soup with nameko mushroom, wakame seaweed, and onions. A perfect match tofu miso gratin. Here are ingredients for miso soup. Now let's dig in. It's piping hot since it's fresh out of the oven. Its delicious appearance is irresistible, isn't it? This is so delicious! You wouldn't even think it's made with tofu and miso. Why not try making this healthy and incredibly delicious tofu miso gratin? Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.